What if one journey could take you from the Caribbean beaches of Playa del Carmen to ancient Mayan ruins, sacred cenotes, flamingo reserves, jungle waterfalls, and the dramatic cliffs of Sumidero Canyon? Welcome to the Mayan Route Tour, a 9-day adventure across southern Mexico, where paradise, history, and nature come together in one unforgettable route. Day 1. Playa del Carmen. Your journey begins in Playa del Carmen, right in the heart of the Riviera Maya. Arrive at your own pace and take time to enjoy the beach, the turquoise Caribbean waters, or the lively streets of this coastal town. In the evening, meet your tour leader and fellow travelers for a welcome meeting and dinner. Day 2. Playa del Carmen, free day. Day 2 is yours to enjoy. Relax on the beach, go snorkeling, try scuba diving, kayaking, parasailing, or even an ATV adventure. Whether you want action or pure relaxation, Playa del Carmen gives you the freedom to choose your own rhythm. Day 3. Tulum and Valladolid. Today, we head to Tulum, one of the most iconic archaeological sites in Mexico. These Mayan ruins stand directly above the Caribbean Sea, creating one of the most beautiful views in the Riviera Maya. After exploring Tulum, continue to Valladolid, a peaceful colonial city known for pastel-colored walls, quiet streets, and Yucatecan charm. In the evening, enjoy a walk through its historic center and experience the city's relaxed atmosphere. Day 4. Cenote, Itzá, Chichen, Itza, and Celestún. Start the day with a refreshing swim at Cenote, Itzá, one of the most famous cenotes in Mexico. Then visit Chichen Itzá, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and one of the most important Mayan archaeological sites. Walk among temples, pyramids, and ancient structures that reveal the precision and mystery of Mayan civilization. By evening, arrive in Celestún, a quiet coastal town near one of Mexico's most beautiful biosphere reserves. Day 5. Ria Celestún Biosphere Reserve and Campeche. Today begins with a boat tour through the Ria Celestún Biosphere Reserve. Here, you'll look for pink flamingos and other bird species in their natural habitat, surrounded by mangroves and peaceful waters. Afterward, continue to Campeche, a UNESCO-listed colonial city with pastel buildings, cobblestone streets, old walls, and historic ramparts. It feels like stepping into a different chapter of Mexico's past. Day 6. Campeche, Miguel, Colorado, cenotes, and Palenque. Day 6 begins with a visit to the Fort of San Miguel in Campeche, a reminder of the city's fortified past. Then head to Miguel, Colorado cenotes, where adventure takes over. Here, you can swim, kayak, zipline, and hike through rocky trails while keeping an eye out for wildlife like spider monkeys and howler monkeys. Later, continue toward Palenque and explore one of the great Mayan cities of the classic period, hidden among the jungle. End the day in the magical town of Palenque. Day 7. Agua, Azul, Misol-Ha, San Juan, Chamula, and San Cristobal de las Casas. Today is a powerful mix of nature and culture. Start with Agua Azul, where turquoise waterfalls flow through natural pools surrounded by jungle. Then visit Misol-Ha, a 35-meter waterfall where you can swim beneath the falling water. Afterward, travel to San Juan Chamula, a Tzotzil community known for its unique spiritual traditions, where Mayan beliefs and Catholic elements blend in a deeply fascinating way. End the day in San Cristobal de las Casas, one of Chiapas' most beloved colonial towns. Day 8. San Cristobal, Sumidero Canyon, and Chiapa de Corzo. Day 8 takes you to one of the most dramatic natural wonders in Mexico, Sumidero Canyon. On a boat tour, you'll pass steep cliffs, waterfalls, caves, and powerful landscapes shaped by the Grijalva River. After the canyon, continue to Chiapa de Corzo, a colorful town known for its Renaissance-style architecture, friendly atmosphere, and rich local history. It's the perfect final stop before the tour comes to a close. Day 9. Chiapa de Corzo. Your final day is free. Relax in Chiapa de Corzo, explore a little more, or transfer to Tuxtla Gutierrez International Airport for your departure. You can also extend your stay or continue with another adventure in Mexico. From Caribbean beaches and sacred cenotes to Chichen Itza, Palenque, and Sumidero Canyon, this Mayan route tour brings together some of the most unforgettable places in southern Mexico. Experience this Mayan tour experience with Vibe Adventure,